Yo, what's going on, guys? Hanging on Doors here. My name is Dimitri, back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be going over how to use... Oh wow, I'm not prepared for this at all. Hang on, give me a second. In today's video, we're going to be going over how to use the shot trainer, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright guys, so really fast before we jump into the video, I just wanted to mention that we have a giveaway going on right now. So if you head over to our website, it'll be linked in the description below. Head over to it and go ahead and click on the giveaway entry. All you have to do is just type in your email and a little bit of information, and you're entered to win. And you have the opportunity to win 3 30-inch Hawk Helium climbing sticks, 3 of our Easy Strap 2.0s, and a set of stick slings to go along with that. Very simple. Just head over there, fill out the information, and then you guys have a chance to win. No hidden shipping fees, no nothing. It is completely free to enter, and we just ship you out your products if you're the winner. So make sure you get over there quick and do it, because we are going to be drawing a winner soon. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump back into the video. So in case you guys are wondering what the shot trainer is, it is basically a rope attachment that you put around the cams of your bow, and it basically just gives you like a one-to-one replica of what your string would be like on your actual bow at full draw. That way you can train with your actual bow. You know, you can train your shot process, you can train your follow through with your shot. You can train everything with your actual bow, with the actual grip that you're going to be using. You don't have to use one of those elastic things, because it really doesn't help you much. When you're not training with your actual equipment, it really doesn't help you out much. So with that being said, let's go ahead and show you how to put this thing on your bow, and just kind of give you a run through how it works, because this is really good for testing out new releases too, which we're going to be doing in the next video. So with that being said, let me go grab my bow and I'll show you how to put it on there. Alright guys, so I got my bow here, and as you can see, there's a hole right here in the top of the cam, right here, and then there's a hole down here, same thing, on the bottom of the cam. So that's what we're going to be using. It's at the very highest point of the cam. And the reason why I like to use the highest point of the cam is because that kind of replicates what the string's actually doing at full draw. So that's why I like to do that. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take the loop end of the shot trainer here. There's like a little loop. We're going to take that and we're going to go through the top hole here, like so. And that's how you do that. You pull it all the way through. And then what we're going to do is we're going to open up that loop that we were talking about and pass the other end of the shot trainer through it. And so when you pull all of this stuff through, you kind of have a loop around the cam. You get that loop around the knot. And that's what you should be left with at the top of your cam, just like so. Then you have all this extra down here. And the way that we adjust this, let me pull this bench up here so you can see. And now the way that we put this bottom piece on is there's like a little Prusik knot down here with a clip with a bunch of cord that comes down, and then there's going to be a loop at the end with a clip. And we basically run this through the cam in that same hole location, just like we've been doing. And as you can see here, I just have that little clip end running through the hole of the loop. Now, if your bow is a little different and the loop or the hole in the cam is a little smaller, just go with the closest one to the top of the cam and just run it through there. It'll be exactly the same. Then with this Prusik that we have here with a little clip on it, you just go ahead, clip that in. Once you have that clipped in, it loops around the cam there, and now you have a string. So the way that you adjust this now is with that Prusik. So let's say that I need this longer. I just go ahead and adjust this Prusik down, and that actually gives me more string for my bow. And as you can see, that's a little long for me. And so the way that I would adjust this now is I would actually take some line off of this Prusik. So I'd go ahead and pull the Prusik up, and that's going to shorten the string a little bit. And then this right here, the Prusik with nothing on it, that is what your D loop is. So again, I'll just go ahead and get this set up. you want your D-loop set up so that it's kind of in the center of the string. If you go like this, you should be able to line the prusik up with the D-loop on your actual bow, and that'll give you a pretty good spot, a pretty good representation of where your D-loop is at full draw. And that'll kind of help you, you know, hold the bow, and it'll feel like how it is actually at full draw. I think this D-loop is a little low, so I'm just going to push this up. But the length is pretty good. So as you can see, it is super simple to set this shot trainer up on your bow. And like I was saying, it gives you an exact one-to-one of what your string would be like at full draw. It gives you a D-loop that you can actually hook your release to and practice your anchoring with. You can pull through and actually go through a full shot execution with this. And on top of that, you're using your actual bow, your actual grip, and you're not training a 5K in slippers, because that's what I would consider other shot trainers to be like. So yeah, that was just a quick run through on how you use this thing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to pick one up, make sure you head over to our website. It'll be linked in the description below. Just click on the link, it'll take you right to it. It should be under Archery products. Alright guys, so that is a shot trainer. Also real quick, I just wanted to throw something out there. We now have channel merch available to you guys for purchase. So if you guys want to support the channel, one of the best ways to do it is to obviously buy our products or buy our merch. We have hats available just like this one, Hanging Hunt Outdoors. And this is actually the exact sweatshirt that you guys will be able to buy. Got a nice Hanging Hunt logo here. We got the thick flat hood strings, and then we have Hanging Hunt Outdoors on the back. So it is pretty cool. I'm super proud of these sweatshirts and the merch and how it came out. It is a very nice quality sweatshirt. It's pretty thick, so it'll keep you pretty warm all throughout the fall. And I'm probably going to be hunting in this a little bit in the beginning of the hunting season. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. That's going to wrap up the video. If you guys want some merch, if you guys want the shot trainer, head over to our website, go grab it. Thank you. We'll catch you in the next one, guys.